Yeah, today we have a 2017 Toyota Camry with a working key fob, and we're trying to add another key fob. This is a G chip key fob works. Okay, and we are going to add this key fob. It's not working yet. Okay, security light is located here in Toyota system. Security light is very important. If you want to know if the key that you have is a master key, you insert this key in the ignition, the security light will turn off immediately. That would mean that the key is a master key. If you insert the key and the security light doesn't turn off, it means it's a slave key. You can only use a master key to add a remote. If you are working on a keyless entry. So insert the key. See, there's no more security light, so this is a master key. So let's go ahead and start the procedure. We're gonna use old launch door today. Click on yes. Emo. Let's type Toyota. Select from vehicle, United States. Looking for Camry. $12 to $20. Mechanical key. Type 2. Programming remote. We're gonna program the remote first. Always program remote first. It will confirm if this is the key for the vehicle, because there's so many. There's a variety of key for Toyotas. In order to program the remote, we're gonna hold lock and unlock for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and then lock or unlock. Okay. Program remote. We also need to have the driver door open when we do that. I'm going to insert the key in ignition and turn to the on position. Okay, the tool just asked me to turn it to the on position, open driver door, like I was saying earlier. Okay, click on that. All right. Okay, you heard those two beeps, which means that it is accepted as a remote. So let's go ahead and do the test. Put that here. This is our remote that wasn't working. Let's close the door. Now that we have programmed the remote, we are going to program the key. So we are going to switch the ignition to the on position first. And then when it's time to program the key, we are going to remove the key from the ignition, and we are going to insert our new key in the ignition, but we're not going to switch the ignition on. We're just gonna leave it in the ignition just like that and watch the security light for about 70 seconds. So let's step out of this menu, click program key, add key. A master key is required. I explained the difference between a master key and the slave key. A master key is required before deleting or adding new keys, okay? In order to identify a master key, I already explained that. I'm just going to click on OK. Insert the program master key switch on. It's already on. We are a little bit ahead of the game. Insert the key to be programmed. Don't turn the ignition switch on. Just like I said earlier, we are going to remove this. Put that here. Take this. And now we just watch the security light. It's going to flash. until it stops completely flashing. When it stops flashing, it means the key is ready and it's programmed. Then all we have to do is just put our key in the machine, duplicate it, and then start the car. So let's try. Didn't work with the ignition switched off, so I now have it programmed with the ignition switched on. So after trying with several programmers, it wouldn't program. So this is the case of a bad chip in the key. So what I'm going to do, the alternative now is to clone the chip. I'm just going to clone the chip with a VVDI super chip key. I've tried with New Launch Door, I've tried with X-Horse, and I've tried with KM100, and still doesn't work. It would not program to the car. So we're just going to clone that chip and be done with it. This is the case of a bad chip. I've tried with 3 different programmers, 4 of them, and it still wouldn't program. So what we are going to do is just clone this chip. This is a VVDI super chip, or XT27A. So first thing we're going to do is identify the chip. Okay, so this is our chip information. You're just going to click on clone, click on start, just follow the prompts. It has detected the original car key in the coil. Now you want to put the super chip. I'm going to insert the super chip here, remove the original car key, and click on continue. Okay, so the chip is complete. This is ready to start the car. So all we're gonna have to do is remove the bad chip from this key, insert this one into the key, and then start the car. 1 second, I'll be right back. So this is our bad chip removed. Make sure you use a little bit of glue in the chip hole, just to make sure that this chip doesn't move back and forth or won't fall in case the whole key falls down and the case opens. So I did that. Everything is good. Chip is not gonna fall. I'm just going to put the cap back. Snap it in place, okay? And then now key starts the car, right? Original key. Okay, both keys are complete now. I'd always test. This is the original key, and this is our new key, right? We'll do it our logo. Trunk. Everything works 100%.